Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How may we recognize Yogamaya?
I do not know what is your question.
He wants to know how we may recognize Yogamaya, how we may know.
Yogamaya?
Yeah.
Yogamaya means that which connects you. Yoga means connection. When you are being gradually advanced in Krishna consciousness, that is the action of Yogamaya. And when you are gradually forgetting Krishna, that is the action of Mahamaya. The Maya is acting upon you. So one is dragging you and one is pushing you. Opposite. Yogamaya. So, just like the example that you are always under the laws of government. You cannot deny. If you say, I don't agree to abide by the laws of government, that is not possible. But when you are a criminal, you are under the police laws, and when you are a gentleman, you are under the civil laws. The laws are there. In any situation, you have to obey the laws of God. If you remain as a civilized citizen, then you are always protected by the civil law. And as soon as you are against the state, the criminal law will act upon you. So the criminal activities of law is Mahamaya, threefold misery, always. Always putting in some sort of misery. And the civil department of Krishna, Anandamudi Vardhanam, is simply go on increasing the depth of the ocean of joy. Anandamudi Vardhanam. That is the difference, Yogamaya and Mahamaya. Yogamaya, the original Yogamaya, is Krishna's internal potency, that is Radha. And Mahamaya is external potency, Durga. This Durga is explained in Brahma Samhita. Sisti sthiti pralaya sadhana shakti vika chaiva yasya bhuvanani vibharti Durga. Durga is the superintending goddess of this whole material world. Everything is going on under his control, under her control. Prakriti is energy. Energy is accepted as feminine. Just like this materialistic persons, they are also working under some energy. What is that energy? The sex life, that's all. They are traveling so much. At night I will have sex life. That's all. That is the energy. Janamaintunadi grihamedi sukham mitucham. Their life is based on the sex. That's all. Everyone is working so hard, culminating in sex. That's all. This is material. the energy. The material energy means sex. So that is energy. If a person who is working in the factory, if you stop sex, okay, he cannot work. And when he is unable to enjoy sex life, then he takes intoxication. This is materialism. So energy must be there. Here in the material world, the energy is sex. And in the spiritual world, the energy is love. Here, the love is misrepresented in sex. That is not love, that is lust. Love is only possible with Krishna. Nowhere else. Nowhere else love is possible. There is misrepresentation of love. There is lust. So love and lust. Love is Yogamaya and lust is Mahamaya. Is that all right?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.